Hey everybody, it's Marla. The song that I'm about to post is called When Up the Bird's Tail. And it was initially the theme song for a theater production that will be playing next weekend in Columbia, Missouri, put on by the Actors of Faith, written and written and directed by Robert Harrison Sr. And it's going to be an awesome production. Everyone in mid-Missouri, go and support. You will be very, very pleased of the talent of the singers, the actors that is going to be put forth on that stage. So the music to it was composed by Lamont Minor, who is the current musical director for Actors of Faith. And I put the words to it, and we collabed, and boom, it was like great. So yeah, so I want to dedicate this to the whole stage play family of Actors of Faith and to Robert Harrison Sr. So I hope y'all enjoy it. Yeah. Went up the bird's tail. Here we go. Went up the bird's tail, went up the bird's tail to see the sunrise. Went up the bird's tail, went up the bird's tail to see the sunrise. I never knew then what Mama meant when she said, I'm going, don't you question me about where I've been, I'll return home again. Went up the bird's tail, went up the bird's tail to see the sunrise. Went up the bird's tail, went up the bird's tail to see the sunrise. I never knew then what Mama meant when she said, I'm going, don't you question me about where I've been, I'll return home again. Dun, 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 dun. Mama said, always do good, always be wise. Things won't always go right, just know that you tried. And when times get hard, look to the sky and pray, just pray to God. Oh, I never knew then what Mama meant when she said, I'm going, don't you question me about where I've been, I'll return home again. Oh, home again. So yes, that's for you, DW, and everybody a part of the cast. I just want to say hey to all y'all. Hey, Natasha. Hey, Genevieve. Hey, Lamont. Hey, Willie. Hey, Renata. Hey, Carmen. Hey, Willie. Hey, Franklin. What's up, little Rob? Am I forgetting somebody? Oh, I hope I'm not mispronouncing your name. It's either Carlita or Carlisha. I know that you are Geneva's sister. Congratulations, you guys. Have fun. Production will be taking place like next weekend. Enjoy, embrace it, and after it's all over, go out and have some fun. Yeah, I miss y'all so much, and I wish I could be there. I want to be there for the play. I want to be back home because there's no place like home. There's no place like home. There's no place like home. Yeah, let me cut it out. So I love y'all so much, and I miss y'all. Congratulations again. Bye bye.